Gabby Thomas, one of the fastest 200-meter USA sprinter, have finally speak her mind. She has speak up her mind on what she feels about Shericha Jackson. She said all these things after she was able to blaze a very hot time of 20.60 or 60 years during the USA trials. Yes, she was able to blazes a world leading time. So she said this to Sherika because we all know Sherika is the queen and she is the mother, she is the princess of 200 meters. She knows how to run the 200 meters so much that anybody cannot beat her. So after Gabby Thomas was able to blaze a world leading time, I don't know why she said all these things, but I'm going to tell you everything on step by step on what she says about Sherika. In case this happens to be your first time on my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. So this is what she said. She said that Sherika is actually the person that motivated her to actually run the 20.61 world leading time. She actually feel like Sherika is a model because it was when she checked her social media account, she saw that Sherika blazes 20.71. Then she challenged herself to also run better time. So according to Gabby Thomas, Sherika is the reason for her running the world leading time because it was after she saw Sherika post on Twitter that she posted 20.71. Gabby Thomas told herself, I'm gonna try to beat this time. So Sherika is a model.